satellite. Google or satellite map or satellite images give you resolution from 5 to 15 meters. So many times now the question is, if you are, these are the elements, biologically important metals are these: magnesium, vanadium, chromium, manganese, iron, copper, nickel, copper, zinc, molybdenum, tungsten. Now what is required is, we need to get the microorganisms which can tolerate heaviest concentration of these. So in industrial treatment, what happens is, if you get such a microorganism, bacteria or any other fungus or yeast or whatever, you can put it to use to remove these toxic metals from any flame. And besides, they can be used in bioremediation, in mining wastewater. And what happens is, the bacteria, like sponge, they absorb this vanadium, chromium, magnesium, iron and all those. And then they can be incinerated and you can get oxides, which can be recovered. So these processes in most of the countries like Spain, they are using for copper, South Africa is using for silver, Brazil is using for other platinum and other metals. So on medium scale they are using, but the secret lies in identifying accurately, microorganisms which have been evolving for millions of years in metal-rich deposits. Otherwise, generally what we microbiologists do is, we just go around, take sand sample here, a soil sample here, then just go by pick up and try to find out if you are lucky to get a metal tolerant microorganism. That is conventional technique. So we combine two techniques, that is the known knowledge of the cartographic knowledge of mineral map of where it is found, and then we superimpose this and we came to know that there are certain spots where we can get iron and manganese rich bacteria. We get zirconium, zinc, manganese, molybdenum, copper and zinc, because for each of these rock formation, if you can see, geochemical analysis is well published through Geological Survey of India reports and also other reports by independent agencies like Indian Bureau of Mines and all. So we know now that if we take any sample, what type of chemicals, metals, oxides, sulfides we are likely to find in entire bed, any village, any soil, any rock. And in this manner it is possible now for us to visit those sites which are accessible and then take sample and in our laboratory get those microorganisms which then we can study further for like biodiagonal useful processes and products. So this poster got a prize in the national seminar in St. Javier. So they like the approach, the experts.